Crane car is driving on the road. Oh, what's floating in the sky? It's a parachute. Crane, stop the car quickly. Oops, the parachute covered Crane. It's windy today. The parachute was blown up again. Unfortunately, Crane was also taken away. Crane floats in the air with the parachute. Crane felt very scared. Help, help, help. The parachute took Crane and floated into the distance. We is sleeping. Help, help, help. We was awakened by the cry for help. Where are you asking for help? Oh, it's Crane floating over here. Help! Hurry and grab the roof. Crane is now hung in the air by a parachute and cannot move. We think of a solution quickly. See what's available. There are balloons. Oh, thought of it. You can use a balloon as an ascender. In this way, we can float on the ascender. Go save Crane. Wow! No, I came here with a bundle of planks. Make these planks into sticks. Done! Wolfoo, you can go get the balloons. Take for balloons. Tie to wooden frame. Folder also came to get the balloons. Tie up. The ascender is completed. Wolfoo is ready to go to the rescue. Get on the ascender. It's rising. Don't be afraid, Crane. Tiger Talisman will come to save you soon. The rising and slowly approaches Crane. Wolfoo rescued Crane. But they are still floating in the air. Wolfoo, please think of a way for us to land. No problem. Wolfoo uses a bucket to pop the balloon. Starting to fall. Great job landing safely. Look at the excavator. Wolfoo is fast asleep. What happened to the bus? I'm so hungry that I don't even have the strength to stand up. 5 blessings, 5 blessings, wake up soon. Wolfoo, I'm so hungry. Can you bring me some food? It just so happens that there are a lot of cakes here in Wii, but which cake should I give to Bashi? Here's the cream cake, blueberry cake, mango cake, and strawberry cake. Just get the cream cake for the bus. Let's go deliver cakes to the bus. Wow, what a big sun. The cake was slowly melted by the sun. Hurry up and get another one. Finally back. Put the melted cake back in the window. Get a new cake. Get the blueberry cake. Wolfoo, you have to run faster this time. Otherwise, the cake will melt again. Oh no! The cake fell to the floor. Fortunately, Wolfoo is fine. But this cake is no longer edible. Go back again. Put the bad cake back in the window. What should I do with this show? Fufu, hurry up and think of a solution. Oh, we has thought of a way. You have to hurry up, otherwise the bus will be starving. Get a mango cake this time. You see, the sun is still very bright now, but the cake was blocked by peas. Can't get sunshine. Let's go quickly. I'm carefully escorting the cake. The food on the bus will be delivered immediately. 5 blessings are coming. Put the cake on the ground. Master, hurry up and eat the cake. Wow, the bus is resurrected with full health. The excavator is going to work in the quarry. On the way to the quarry, don't stop and wait for the traffic light. It's passable. Keep going. Arriving at the quarry. Right here. Drive forward a little. Start digging rocks. A basket. To baskets. What should I do if there is no carriage to load stones? It doesn't matter. Let the dump truck help set off. Detour. Drive carefully. Direct. The dump truck has arrived. Excavator lifts stones. Load into dump truck compartment. Pick up the second stone and load it into the carriage. We need to fill up the carriage. Then let the excavator dig some more rocks. Oops! Come down. The stone pressed against the wheels of the dump truck. The dump truck can't come out no matter how hard it is exerted. The excavator can help turn the plug. Take all these stones away. Success will happen soon. Yeah, the dump truck can come out. That's great. Excavator continues. Be careful when digging rocks. Oh. Put it on the carriage. The carriage is full. The dump truck is leaving. Excavator gets the job done. You see the bus is driving on the road. Hi, bus. Not bad. There is a sharp stone ahead, but the bus didn't notice it. Oh, the bus hit a tree. What sound? Too bad, there are a lot of falling rocks. Bus needs help. Waiatudu quickly went to help the bus. Red Plan and Blue Plan are also going together. Arrived at the scene. The poor bus fell to the ground and couldn't get up. Don't be afraid of the bus. I called we to help you. Woo! Hurry up and help the bus. Hook the bus with a flour bucket. Start pulling back. Wee! Come on, wee! Oh, I don't have enough strength. Tutu robots, hurry up and help Wufu. Goo Goo is in place. Red plan is in place. Blue plan is in place. Come on, lift up the bus. But something doesn't seem right about the bus. Wee, please check the bus. Lift the bus first. Blue plan, check if there is any problem with the car bearings. It seems that there is no problem with the car bearings. So what went wrong? Come and take a look at the front. It's the bus's bumper that was dented. The bus's tires were also punctured. The bus is in bad shape. Wufu went to get a thermometer to check the bus's temperature. Let's take your temperature on the bus. Wow, the bus has a fever. Take the bus back to base for treatment. It's a nasty day. Lightning and thunder. How? Why are there so many stones on the road? Block the whole road? I can't get over it because I'm confused. How to do it? Wee, hurry up and go to the rescue. Look, the rain has stopped. The sun is coming out. Buses and robots also go to the rescue. The rescue convoy has arrived. We need to clear all the stones from the road. Little red, little blue. Let's lift a big stone first. Throw it next to the tree trunk. The 5 blessings are going to lift this big stone. But he can't seduce him. Replace the bucket with a drill bit. Oh my god, Wee is so awesome. Change the drill bit back to the bucket. Lift up the stone. Throw it next to the tree trunk. You also need to help with the bus. Buses also come to move stones. Put under the tree. Oops, I swear I can't lift this big rock. Try it and see if you can push it. Can't push it either. Crush the stone first. Smashed? Throw the stone next to the tree trunk.